The first quarter's earnings season has been better than expected for Nifty 50 companies, with more hits than misses. Now, out of the 51 Nifty 50 companies, net profit growth of 32 companies has either met or beat street estimates, whereas net profits of 18 companies have missed analyst estimates. Now, while the sales growth of the Nifty companies has been muted at just about 1% as compared to the corresponding June quarter last year, operating profit or EBITDA has grown by a stronger 7.7% in the same period, aided by lower input costs. And while more companies' net profit beat estimates than not, on average the net profit of the Nifty companies fell by about 4.5%, led by weakness in telecom, Tata Motors, select banks and Tata Steel. Now, among sectors, cement brought some cheer, whereas the IT sector underperformed. Company-wise, Sun Pharma posted the biggest jump of over threefold in its net profit growth, whereas GAIL was the biggest positive earnings surprise, with its net profit coming in 68% higher than street estimates. On the other hand, Tata Steel was the biggest disappointment, with a net loss of 3,830 crores. However, the Nifty has grown about 13% since the 1st of April, much ahead of the earnings growth, raising questions over the revival of the corporate earnings, or if the corporate earnings have actually bottomed out or not. That's today's chart of the day. Thank you for watching Bloomberg Quint.